Got a 2011 or 12, I think 14, 15, around there. Kia Sorento. You got a built-in amp right here, and you don't know how to get the sound to come on when you're installing an Android. This is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna bypass the factory amplifier. I'm gonna run a 9-wire conductor over here to the amp by removing this clip right here. Actually, you twist to get it to it. You twist it like so. Twist it out and pull it out both sides. You can see that piece. You can run the 9-wire conductor down there. Over here you pull this what's it called, Jesus, many times I'm installing this, I don't know the name of it. Anyway, get this panel out, run your wire to here, down here, all the way here, and try to get underneath here somehow. I'm not sure yet. Oh, actually coming over here, push it down there and grab the wire out here. Do the backup camera, I ran the red wire to this red wire right there on pin 39, pin 15. So pin 15 I'm going to show you. It's right on this left side right there, right underneath that yellow wire right there. It's hard to tell you, but right underneath that yellow, the blue I meant. It's a blue. You should see the red wire that's on pin 15. Oh, I was thinking about hardwire this thing by running at the factory stereo over there for the backup camera. I'm gonna talk about it since a lot of people's not doing a video how to install using the camera. So the question is it worth it to do? Hey, that noise. Let me close that door real quick. So basically, I'm just running an aftermarket to make it a lot easier. So the backup cameras over here, you're gonna need a converter. Converter is because this is most likely, this is not a 12-volt signal. So it's the as I mentioned earlier, I hooked up the color for the video camera positive. It is a red wire right there. If you're looking at it right here, this red wire right there. That is the video positive, and then the black and orange is the negative video. And then for the power is going to be a different voltage. It's a 3 to 6 volt voltage. So basically 3 to 6 volt. It's not a 12. So yes, I did test it. So now the yellow and the black is the ground. That you gotta tap it to the ground, and then this one you gotta tap it to the 12-volt reducer to 6 volt. So too much headache. Don't try to do this. If you kind of do it, you need a 6 volt, 12 volt to 6 volt. I will share a link to that if you want to do it that type, but I wouldn't recommend it. And when I say positive and negative, the positive would be, as you can see, I tested right there. You have to test it, see, use continuity test to find out if this is positive and which one is negative on here. I'm taking that out. I'm not going to use that. I did use this is infinity system. It would not work because the amp is not going to turn on by itself. I tried, it didn't work. It used data to turn it on. So in that case, we're just gonna run a aftermarket backup camera to this. So back here to do the backup camera, you can use this ground right there. So there's from this red wire right there. This is a 12 volt. So you got red and black. You want to hook it up the black one, tap it to this ground right here, and then the red from that yellow RCA jack, you're gonna hook it up to this other red right there. This is a plug that came with the all backup camera are the same. So plug this red to the red, this black to that, and then make sure you tape it so that way it don't come loose. And in order to do this, is gonna be the hardest for anybody right here. So if you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna pull the wire, you're gonna strip the wire or broke the wire, and then you're gonna end up redo this again after you ran all the wire all the way to the front, and you're gonna find out why there's no video, backup video. That's mainly problem because this is so small. This is about half an inch. So what you want to do, you want to tape, you want to use some sort of coat hanger, some small piece one right there. You want to spray this W40, WD-40 to it. Don't spray too much because it will melt the tape. And kind of pull it, kind of bend this thing up. You want to pull this out right there. This rubber boot, I call it grommet. But yes, lift that up. And then once you get over here, it's going to be really tight. So what you're going to need to do when that yellow RCA jack, you want to just grab it right there. I'm going to show you how you grab it. Just like I mentioned earlier about the no sound issue. So what you're going to have to do, once you run that 9-wire conductor, I'm going to show you right there. I left it here because I want to do a video and show it to you. So I'm going to start off at left front speakers. The left front speaker, you got white. It's the white color from here. So you got white. Where's my white at? So here's a white color right there.
You don't know how long it took me to figure out that just snapped.
So the white color right here, you want to you want to hook up the brown to the positive, and then the white black to the I'm gonna say the wire that the 9-wire conductor first. So the white black will go to the white, and then you want to go to the left front. Right front would be gray color. So you got this color right there. Now right here you can strip it. The way you strip it, it can be different. You want to hook up the gray to the blue, dark blue, and then gray black to the red. Now you want to go do the left rear, so it's a green color. So left rear you got green to the yellow, and then green black to the black, and then you got another one which is right rear. Right rear is purple, so the purple is gonna be solid purple. It's gonna be light blue, and then purple black gonna go to the orange wire right there. So it's basically wrap them together like this. So this is how you do it, and then you just run it to the front and match the color from the radio. Just match all the color, meaning white to the white, white black to the white black, and then you should be set. The connection of the backup camera, you want to use the pink, I would say backup camera, and then the red right there. So you want to hook it up to the wire that's show you right here. It's a single wire right there. Hook the yellow to the yellow, the female to the male, and this red one gonna hook it up to these red and pink. The red one I mentioned earlier about where the fuse box is at, over there. I forgot the color because I did it yesterday. It was late, so I sent the customer home. So now I'm back here, but you can watch the video from the beginning.